Hey guys, Super Sweet Sandwich here, and today we're going to be opening a Pokemon trading card game pack, XY Breakthrough. I had to run all the way to the store and back again because I didn't have enough money. That's why I'm out of breath. Alright, I'm going to open the pack. Hold on. Alright, we are back, and so what we have to do is we get the top 3, I believe. And then put them on the top. Oh, yeah, like that. Alright, let's see what they are. You're killing me. Oh my god. A Houndoom EX Mega. Oh my god. That was worth it. Let's go, guys. A Frogadier. Dude, look. That is so dope. Whew. A Hippopotas. A Piplup. A Doduo. What's it? A Remoraid. Snubbull. Ugh, I don't like Snubbull. Snorlax. Whew. Heavy Ball. Trainer. Don't eat it. And a Fracture. Yo. Alright. So, I'm going to get my Shelter out of here. I'm going to replace my Houndoom. Look at my feet. My sweet Houndoom. Let's go, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace!